where will we?
Yeah.
Okay, now we are going to. We saw how the panel works. We see that you can have the circuits. So let's work with the electrical, and then we're going to jump into the fire alarm systems and sprinkler systems. Okay, so let's this is the okay, this is the lighting. So we're going to rename this. So this is going to be the switch, floor switch. So this view it's only going to show the switches, and now we are going to duplicate them, and we're going to make power. Oh, no, I mean, in power we have to work in a floor plan. Can you create a floor plan for the first floor? You have to change the discipline of that floor plan to electrical, and the subdiscipline has to be power. You have to go to view, plan views, yes, down, and on the right plan view, that's okay. Floor plan, okay. First floor, that's okay. Yeah, first and second floor. Okay, now where this is, we are in this view, and you have to check the discipline and the mechanical. It's grayed out because you have a view template applied. Go to the view template, that's under the identity data, here in the properties, down. Yes, okay. Okay, so select none. No, I mean select the view template and none. That's right. That's right. Okay. None, and hit apply, hit OK. Okay, now we saw that this you created the first and second floor plans, and both of them are under mechanical. And we can search here mechanical floor plans. Okay, so we select both of them in order to make only one change, and by doing that we're going to move this floor plan from here to here. The view template is going to be in none for both of them, and I change electrical, and the subdiscipline is going to be on power. Hit apply, and you see here. Okay, now it's ready. Okay, so we have the rooms here. Let's put some energy outlets. uh, we're going to go to the system, under devices, electrical fixtures, and I will see that I have here that we have these receptacles for the energy. As let's say that in the kitchen I'm going to use a lot of this, and it tells me the same mistake. I can't see this electrical receptacle. Why do you think is that?
For the view range. Yeah.
Okay, so play with the beam range until you see the. View range, it's under the properties of this view. Okay, hit escape and you will see the view range.
In that in that side
Yes, it extends
here.
here.
Got it. View range. So
Top, it's in the second floor. The cut plane.
mhm, let's
Um,
say 1 feet.
okay, hit apply, hit OK. Maybe we can help with a section view. Create a section view around here so you can have a measure of where is your receptacle. Okay, that's perfect. So you can double click on the annotation symbol.
Mhm.
Okay, so you can check. That's the switch.
That one, right?
Yeah, the switch and the electrical outlet, it's the one who's down. This one. Okay, so let's use the level as reference.
That one, right?
Yes, you can hit tab. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, so the view range, the cut plane, it's 1 feet. So I will say that the cut plane line will be around here. So I would like so I would like to know the distance from the middle because I want to cut in the middle of this receptacle and here. Always make sure that you select that you are selecting the level because
The level.
see when I go here I, it it seems that I am selecting the floor, you know. I have to press tab until I make sure that I am using the level.
Okay.
So the cut plane I need to put it in at 1 feet and 6 inches. Okay, so can you put the view range, the cut plane at this distance? Apply, hit OK. Okay, now we have. What do you think we should do? Correct. If you want to know what element the receptacle is, okay, that's good. And electrical fixtures. Hit apply, hit OK. Okay, now we saw it.
And we miss a sink here, right? Why?
Because the cut plane is, imagine that you have a laser and you cut everything. And
Okay.
this element is being cut. That's why it shows here. But if I raise my cut plane, let's say to this elevation, I will be able to see the sink. let's give it a try. Let's measure. We select distance from the level to, let's say I want to cut here. Oh crap. Okay, let's say here it's 2 foot. Let's use 2 and 3 inches. So we're going to go to the view range and cut 2 and 3 inches. Hit apply, hit OK. I can see my sink now.
Mm, okay, so when we press that, we are taking from the bottom, from the level, from the bottom until the height that we give, right?
Yes, yes. But you can
Mm,
change
got
the reference because here, well, here is fixed. But you gotta
it.
take in
Yeah.
consideration which is your point of reference.
And the top, what is the meaning of the top?
Imagine that, okay, uh, this is the total height of the of the floor. This is the floor and this is
Perception.
the ceiling. The top,
Okay.
it means where is the camera located. Let's say that this is a camera,
Okay.
and if you put at level 2 with an 0 offset, that means that you are in the level 2 and the camera is put it there, and you can see everything that goes from this point to down.
Got it.
The cut is like a laser that you could, if you want to
Mm-hmm.
find an element, you can work with that cut plane until you cut it. The bottom, it's till where you want to
Our
see an
reference,
object
right?
clearly,
Okay.
yes. And the depth, it will show certain elements, but it will be grayed out. Certain elements like floors and walls, but nothing
Okay.
else.
Got you. So let me explain again. Let's see. So if I understand very well. So the top is gonna be like our camp,
Where
our
our,
view, right?
yes,
Where's our view are.
yes,
Cup is exactly is used where until where we're gonna see, right? The
slice,
range
yes, cut,
light, but it's gonna but that's gonna be like our real top, right?
yes. Not a real
So
top,
our
but we decide where the cut is going to be made.
exactly from our bottom until this cut plane. So all the thing that I'm gonna see is gonna be from my bottom until my cut plane, right? Is
Yes,
in this time is like I wanna see everything in
yes.
that range. Okay, that's good to know.
Okay, then we have the bottom, which tell us which elements we can see until this part. And this view depth is going to show us certain elements, like floors and structural beams and columns.
Got it.
Okay, so let's put some electrical fixtures. I'm going to create similar. Let's see. I'm going to put here. I'm going to, so this is a kitchen. I'm going to put a lot of these elements here. Oh crap. So I can do the same. I will select all of these elements visible in view. I have 6 receptacles, and it's the same. I get to define power, and I can define which panel they are going in there, from which panel they are going to take the energy from. I select a
Okay.
wire. Oh crap, where is it? Okay. Uh, oh, I gotta make sure that we are checking the wires. Okay,
Hmm.
so this ham run So this is going to use the D panel. Is this the D panel? Can you check the name? Where's the name?
Yeah, just
Yeah,
there.
yeah. Let's change because I want to use the C panel. I'm going to change to the C panel. Okay, and it shows me. Do you see the circuit that this line got large? Now,
Yeah, the blue one.
yeah, it takes this panel. So I'm going to take my home run and put it there. Okay, so this panel, okay, I want to see my schedule, and I will see that I have the receptacles of the energy from the
Now,
kitchen.
inside
And
kitchen. Yes.
yes, and now I can see that I have this amount of energy that I had to play with. I can go again to rebalance the loads. So Revit will make like an uh, consecutive approach until I have the same loads of
Yeah,
all the systems.
like a balance, right?
Yes, and I see that I have a new category here. You remember that we only
The
have lighting, now we have
light in the
receptacles.
orange. Yeah.
Yes, and here you can see in this summary that is going to calculate the connected load with the demand factor and is going to multiply it. If my demand factor, let's say for example that it's 100%, it's not gonna make a difference. But let's see. I'm going to change the receptacles. Let's suppose that I'm going to play with my electrical settings, load calculations, demand factors, and receptacles. Okay, you see here I have my receptacles.
Yeah.
Let's use a total, and we are going to tell Revit that from this range the demand factor is not going to be 100%, it's going to be 125%. Let's assume that I'm doing this because we are going to make pizzas, and we're going to use these big machines that consume a lot of energy.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to hit OK, going back to my panel, and I see that my demand factor has changed. It's not 100 anymore, it's 125. So this is multiply. This is multiplying. It's not 1080 anymore. It's 100. It's 1350.
Mm-hmm.
So I see here. This is a summary again of my whole panel. Is the whole amount of energy that this panel is going to manage. This is also an sum of these demand factors, the multiplication of these both of these columns, and here I have in amperes the connected elements and the estimated demand of amperes. So you see here all the information regarding the electrical demand of this panel. Okay, so we already know how the electrical works. You saw it's very simple. This was the more complicated area of Revit, one of the most complicated. Let's go. Let's jump into fire alarm.
Fire alarm, nice.
Yes, fire alarm. It has two components. Fire alarm. It's all the electrical devices like the smoke detectors, the alarms that are going to sound, and also we have the sprinkle systems. So let's jump to the sprinkle systems. Uh, we're going to create a new
It's like the same
discipline.
idea, right? Place the device, and add until the electric panel, right?
Yes, yes.
The fire alarm.
Yeah, let's put some plumbing, some sprinklers first. Then we're going back to this electrical part, so we
Sure.
can remember.
Sure.
Okay, can you create an RCP,
Perfect.
and
So,
that new RCP is going to be under plumbing, and we are going to create a new subdiscipline that is going to be called a sprinkler system. Okay, you are not seeing, you are seeing the only the levels. Okay, that's correct. Now select.
uh you want to create for the both?
Yes, yes, ceiling planks. Hit okay. Okay, where are they? Revit put it on coordination. So go to coordination, search the ceiling planks, coordination, ceiling planks, and select both of them and change. Move it to plumbing. The discipline is going to be plumbing. Graphics,
Which is here, right?
yes. Change it to plumbing. And subdiscipline type sprinkler. Okay.
Wait, I think I'm missing something.
Yes, it's the first S. Okay.
Sprinkler.
Now hit apply in order to apply the changes. Okay. Now in plumbing we have this new subdiscipline. It's so open the first floor
Subdiscipline.
and close the inactive views. Okay. So okay. So first it's very important to change the name. So add the name first floor sprinkler system. System. Okay. Okay.
Got it.
Okay. Now in this view, the first thing we need to do is VG. We only want to see from electrical. We don't want to see lighting devices or lighting fixtures. Where are they? A B C D L. Oh, I'm going to select all of this so I can see all the items.
Items.
Okay,
Yeah.
lighting fixtures by. But I want to see the rest. I want to see all fire alarm devices. I want to see fire protection. Okay. Okay. Now go to systems. Go to system under plumbing and pipe. Let's draw some pipes that are going to. First, here, let's go
No.
to sprinkler.
Okay.
Select, and you will see the different types of elements we have here. We have dependent sprinkler system, and another one. Well, dependent, you know how it is. No, it's like the regular, and we have another one that goes into the wall. So check
Okay.
if we have the families. Okay, we have pendant, horizontal sidewall, pendant, sidewall. Okay, so put some sprinklers on the along the first floor, as you may feel like it.
Okay, let's end up. Mm, let's say five. Let's say
It's a double. It seems that you pick do the operation again.
okay. Hit.
Yes. Sometimes when you have that mistake, it's very it's you gotta make sure that you don't have two elements in the same position. So you gotta select. Oh look, you have five sprinkles.
And why in the same location? That's weird.
Because you try to do the array command and you make
Mm-hmm.
clicks in the same position. You tell Revit, okay, I want five sprinklers from here to here. And Revit put the five
Mm,
and told you, hey, you have five sprinklers here. So let's check. I'm going to erase. Okay, okay. Now you can do again the array command.
okay, I press here five. I say last.
Okay, you okay? You're telling Revit. No, you. The first click is going to be the initial point of reference.
Okay,
You're telling Revit from here to here. I want you Revit to put five sprinklers in that distance. So one more time.
got it. That one. Five. Um, here. Nah, here we go. And then let's copy here. No, I think that one no, it's okay. MM.
Okay, verify that the those sprinklers have okay the host.
Lincoln.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
okay. So what's next? Can you create a 3D view so we can see the sprinkler systems there?
Sure, sure, sure.
Okay. Okay, in that 3D view, Now let's create a 3D view that is going to be only about sprinklers. So modify this 3D view, work with VG and the discipline and subdiscipline, because we want to have an yes, we want to have a vision only for sprinklers.
Okay, so lightings. It's okay like that?
Okay, okay. Change the discipline so we can have
Okay.
a proper view.
Um,
Okay, plumbing and subdiscipline. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. We are not seeing the. Okay. Look for the sprinkler. Okay. Untack electrical equipment, lighting fixtures. Okay. Mass, MP, parking parts. We have to go to the S so we can see the sprinklers. Okay, the sprinklers are good. Okay, stairs. Okay, everything seems to be good.
so is the view range, do you think?
Well, in 3D view, we don't use view range, because we see the whole building.
Okay.
So let's be more specific. We're going to make this 3D view. Where is this 3D view?
It's in plumbing.
Okay, it's in plumbing. It's on sprinklers. Oh, here it is. So let's duplicate and make this 3D view only for um, this 3D view is going